Hey guys and gals, I'm The Terrain with Server.pro, and Mojang recently released the second release candidate for Minecraft 1.16.2. This should be the final update before the full release of 1.16.2, which is expected to drop on August 11th. But let's not waste any more time and cover the bug fixes of this update. In the first release candidate, 1.15.2 resource packs would not display correctly in the resource packs menu. Instead, they would see a title and description like this, with a red box. But this release candidate has fixed this bug. In previous snapshots, if a player had an incompatible resource pack on, then other resource packs could not be loaded. However, this bug was fixed as well. Block event lag in the previous release candidate was very high, however Mojang fixed this issue. There may be some lag, however it should not be nearly as bad as before. And finally, piston heads sometimes appeared twice in some setups, like this piston and observer clock. But this bug was fixed in this release candidate. And that is actually all of the bugs fixed in this release candidate. Sorry it was short, but hopefully this means that there are less bugs when 1.16.2 drops. If you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe to Server.pro for more. To learn how to play on the new snapshots and create a server on the new snapshot, click the eye in the top right corner. If you'd like to play on the latest snapshots with your friends, check out Server.pro by clicking the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I'm The Terrain. Peace out.